Straight out of 679, Mr. Patco music.
Look, once upon a time, and I heard that I was ugly. Came from a bitch who nigga wanna fuck on me. I said my face bomb, ass tight, racks like I'm Shaq. Hey, jury on me flashlight. I've been listening since last night. Hit 'em with that good, make a nigga act right. Broke boys don't deserve no. I know that's right. Hey, bustin' out the Benny band, take a member, let's see how they brought it back. And all these bitches fucking bitch. Big bags, bustin' out the Benny band, take a man, freaking back, party back, and all you bitches fuck. If it's up, then it's up, then it's up, then it's up. If it's up, then it's up, then it's up, then it's up. If it's up, then it's up, then it's up, then it's up. Up, then it's up, if it's up, then it's up. If it's up, then it's up, then it's up, then it's up. Up, then it's up, then it's up, then it's up. If it's up, then it's up, then it's up, then it's up. Up, then it's up, it's up, then it's up. If it's up, then it's up, then it's up, then it's up. Forever poppin' shit, pulling up and dropping shit. Gotta argue with him, cause a nigga love a toxic bitch. Niggas out here playing, gotta make them understand. Ain't no ring on my finger, you ain't going on my friend. My face on, ass tight, racks like I'm Shaq. Hey, jury on me flashlight. I've been listening last night. Hit 'em with that good, make a nigga act right. Broke boys don't deserve no pussy. I know that's right. Take that pussy, not the Benny band. Take a member, let's see how the party back. And all these bitches fuck bitch. Take that pussy, not the Benny band. Take a man, working back, party back, and all you bitches fuck. If it's up, then it's up, then it's up, then it's up. If it's up, then it's up, then it's up, then it's up. Up, then it's up. If it's up, then it's up. If it's up, then it's up, then it's up, then it's up. Bitches ain't fucking with me now, and I can see why. Pretty ass, dusty ass bitch, you got pink eye. Just won't smoke until I bring it to the